official video. He is funny and Running Man. It's so blue. Collaboration. But it's so mellow. Bam, what's up everybody? Welcome to my channel. Alright, so this morning, me and my little sister, we went out with my dad to CVS to get our second shot. But the thing is, they say we have to wait for 21 days, which is only 19 days today. So we're going next week to get our second shot. My brother got his shot today because it was his first time. So anyway, that was an unsuccessful trip to a CVS. Anyway guys, so today it is Reaction Friday. Oh, what? Okay, so we are gonna be doing a reaction to Jong Kook featuring ATEEZ. I believe so, because I don't know how to read this. But anyway, so that's what we're gonna be doing today, and I don't know how to say the name of the title of the music, so can't read Korean. So hope you guys will enjoy this video. Yeah, let's see what they bring to the tea table. Alright guys, let's go check it out. I'm sorry, I don't really know how to speak Korean, read Korean. And here it is, Jong Kook featuring ATEEZ, something official video. Alright, let's go. It's a summer day. He is funny in Running Man. My mom watches Running Man, so I watch with her. He's so funny. Him and the tall dude, oh my god, those two are like, put them together, they're a troublemaker. I like the outfits though, very summery. It's so blue. Oh, I like that. His outfit is good. It's so cool. It's like, I think it's not fruit. No, it's not a fruit. It's something else. But it's so summery. Oh my gosh, it's so summery looking and everything. Collaboration. What is that? He always looks like what's their name? What's his name? The Rock. When he does this, that The Rock does that. Well, he does something else, like that's his signature, but he does like a oh, I'm so cute. How they dance? That is so cool. Like they put like the camera below, and then they're just like, it's like a freaking good angle. Like what? Oh my god, that angle is so good. The angle is so good. What? The videographer is really good at angles. Like the angles matter. don't know, this is like the first time I see ATEEZ's dance is so how do we say it? It's still fire, but very mellow. It's not very like power and everything, but it's so mellow. I like it though. I like it. It's so different. Dude, I didn't know he's a singer, like, cause I thought he's just like an actor and Running Man and all, but he did. But when I was watching, he did look like a singer, but I never thought he is an actual singer. So. They're so cute. Oh. Dude, that's so fun. I wish I can do that. Yeah. Outfit is good. Outfit is really good. Oh, so I have this stuff behind here, so when I keep falling, it's because of this stuff. But anyway, that was really good. I really like the dancing. It's so cute. That was really good. It's good. It's good. But like I said, their dance is so mellow and it's so different to see ATEEZ dancing so like, because in other videos they're just like bam, bam, and then they're so fierce and so like, you know, fire and everything. This one is still fire, but a different fire, like a very mellow fire. But it was really good. It was really good. And then to see Jong Kook, is so different because usually I always see him in Running Man, but in music video that was so different. Very different outlook on it. But anyway, that was really good. I really enjoyed that. Hope you guys enjoyed that reaction. Please give this a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, guys, and have a wonderful weekend and stay tuned, and I'll see you guys soon. Peace.